तुम्हें क्या लगता है? I sometimes feel that the kind of experiences you have in your childhood, they also shape your perception of romantic relationships in your adulthood, 20s, 30s, बहुत significantly. So, do you think that, do
It
you
has.
believe?
Yes, I believe that क्योंकि जितने भी रोमांटिक अप्रोच रिलेशनशिप्स ये काटिए सिचुएशनशिप्स रहे हैं या फ्रेंडशिप्स भी रहे हैं या फिर माई लव टूवर्ड्स माई फैमिली मेम्बर्स, मेरे को लगता है कि नॉट ओनली रिलेशनशिप्स रोमांटिक रिलेशनशिप्स एवरीथिंग shapes the way you feel that you are loved. क्योंकि when I was a kid, I thought कि I was not loved enough. Maybe that wasn't the case, but as a middle child,
अरे मिडिल चाइल्ड सिंड्रोम.
मुझे मिडिल चाइल्ड सिंड्रोम हो गया अभी तक है. एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट मेरे को लगता है कि आई एम नॉट एबल टू लव समवन enough, or even if I am, I always feel that the other person don't love me that way. Or when I was in class 12th, when I had my first relationship, उसमें the reason we broke up was because I thought I needed to be alone and I don't love myself enough, so I don't have the capacity to love the other person as
I
much.
agree, that makes a lot of sense. Once you work on yourself, you're ready to give to others in a more fuller and
हाँ,
complete way.
लेकिन I have seen people who are in relationships and who don't love themselves, but
And I think there is a beauty in this kind of a relationship where you both works in progress and
हाँ,
you're just helping each other grow. It's a feedback loop of betterment. Very constructive kind of a
I don't
relationship.
know how people find that, or is it rare to find? क्योंकि I have never found that.
है ना, कभी कभी तो at stages of my life I felt like कि I have conquered all my fears and all my paranoias and insecurities. Give me the greatest guy you've made,
I
God.
don't think so कि
And he
कभी
sent me this
कोई
shit boy, fuck boy, loser who destroyed my perception of love
I
forever.
don't think so कि कभी कोई भी अपने fears trauma से पूरा over हो पाता है.
हाँ, it's just this facade that you create in your mind. A brief thought for 2 seconds. Like suppose you go to a cafe, have a very nice coffee, and for the first 5 seconds it looks like everything is under your control and you are the best person who's ever existed. You have your life all sorted, and then the 5 seconds goes away and you're like, oh fuck.
नो मैंने एक पॉडकास्ट देखा था, उसमें वो बोलता है कि आई डिड नॉट यूज टू लव माई सेल्फ. फिर मैं कैफ़े जाने लगा, रोज़ जाने लगा और अपने साथ अकेले बैठने लगा. मैंने देखा कि रेस्टोरेंट में कैफ़े में लोग बैठे हुए हैं अपने फैमिली मेम्बर्स फ्रेंड्स लव उनके साथ और मैं अकेले हूँ. फिर मैं अपने आप को ऑब्जर्व करना शुरू किया एंड कंक्लूजन ये आया कि यू डोंट हैव टू लव एवरी पार्ट ऑफ योर सेल्फ, यू जस्ट हैव टू नो देम, यू जस्ट हैव टू नो योर सेल्फ, यू डोंट हैव टू लव योर सेल्फ एंटायरली, है ना. तो मेरे को ये लगता है कि to be in a relationship you have to accept yourself.
Same, what you said, I think I also read this somewhere कि self-awareness is the first stage of self-acceptance and self-acceptance will actually take you places.
मतलब कि द वे यू एक्सेप्ट योर सेल्फ, मतलब खुद को एक्सेप्ट करोगे तब ना तुम सामने वाले को एक्सेप्ट करोगे.
I mean, if you're running away from your own
yourself, then how are you
yourself.
going to accept the other person? So I think that really affects the way you see relationships, the
But
way
I
you
think once you put that kind of work into yourself, you also expect the other
Other
person who shows
person-
up in your life to have done the same kind of homework.
yes, it does. I did not know how to be in a relationship, so I
No, you really do need a manual for that because you've been single for way too long and suddenly there's this guy who's asking you if you've eaten or
it
if
feels
you've
so
done.
weird.
No, it feels very intrusive. Like I did that for the past 20,
Why do
21,
you care
22 years
now?
on my own. I think I can manage.
Yeah, guys ask me normal questions and I get irritated, and they call me, I don't pick up their call. I अब इतना अकेले रहने का आदत हो गया है ना कि
फोन में दो ही देख के आ रहा है, कोई बड़वा कॉल नहीं करता, अरे ये बड़वा कॉल क्यों कर रहा है. यही दोनों सेंटिमेंट के बीच में फंसे हुए हैं.
यही हो रहा है. तो लाइक यू आस्क्ड कि does it affect, it does affect. और अभी भी मेरे को नहीं पता if I am ready or not, क्योंकि मैं हमेशा इमोशनली अनअवेलेबल मैन को अट्रैक्ट करती हूँ अपनी तरफ, और वो मेरे को समझ आ जाता है शुरू में कि दे आर नॉट अवेलेबल फॉर एनीथिंग, बट स्टिल आई फॉल फॉर देम बिकॉज I don't think I am ready for anything.
So you're basically Sarah Jessica Parker.
हाँ, I am.
SJP.
हाँ, I am. I am creating this wall for myself कि I am with this guy, और अब इसके आगे कुछ नहीं है. I am trying to force myself to be where I am, I think.
I think you just kind of, I mean, it's not what I believe because I am no relationship therapist, but I have read up a lot on YouTube about this and looked up a lot on YouTube about this. That I somehow feel attract the kind of energy that you have within yourself. That is the kind of energy you also surround yourself with.
मतलब you mean
So-
I am not emotionally available?
Yeah, that's what I mean.
For me.
I
Yeah.
feel that you are not emotionally unavailable, but you don't want to be the person जो जब relationship खत्म होता है तो दूसरा बंदा उसे point करके बोलता है कि it's because of your unavailability that this relationship has come to an end. You want to be the victim, but you are also emotionally unavailable. So you attract these kind of men who you know will not be able to sustain a relationship. कि वो victim तू ही रहेगी, लेकिन the problem is also yours. But because of his very obvious problem of the same nature, you're going to deflect the entire blame towards him and say
it
the
was
relationship
your
ended because of
problem.
you.
Yeah.
It was you, it was
It
not.
was your problem. I think that. That's a good analysis.
Very complicated kind of thing. I mean, I didn't know feelings were so complicated. Growing up, I always felt like I was going to see a very perfect guy one day and I was going to realize that this was love and we would be married and this whole fucking circus would come to an
Sunflowers
end.
and
But
rainbows.
yeah, I think growing up, you had a different perception of relationship.
यार मेरे को कभी
And
ऐसा नहीं लगा
once-
कि I will have this man जो आएगा मेरी जिंदगी में.
I think I grew up feeling that. But now I'm thinking it's just you for yourself.
It is at the end of the day.
Self-awareness, self-acceptance, self-love.
वो है ना कि the other person who comes into your life, वो तुम्हारा पूरा जिंदगी नहीं बन जाता है. That person is just a part of your life.
Yeah, and if you're not happy within yourself, searching for it in another person is not gonna make you happy any which way.
I used to think कि I will not find love, nobody is going to love me, but then I found my friends, then I found that my brothers do love me. धीरे धीरे रियलाइज हुआ क्योंकि मैं खुद से प्यार ही नहीं करती थी तो मुझे अपने
Tough love.
हाँ अपने चारों तरफ हेटरेट दिखता था, हेटरेट फील होता था, नेगेटिव फील होता था. Even if someone was there to love me, I did not accept that love. अब धीरे धीरे in my 20s I am realizing I am capable of being loved.
Maybe it wasn't a scam.
What?
Love.
No, I don't think love is a scam. I think everything in this world is because of love.
There was a little girl on a TV show who once said, the interviewer asked her a question saying, what is love? And she said, a neurochemical con job. And sometimes I think that
What was
girl,
her age?
she was like 5, 6.
And why
I
is she
think-
experiencing love that way?
And I think she has gotten the world sorted out. She
You
has
have
gotten
sorted
it
it out,
figured.
bro.
It's done. You know what love is, and you're not gonna let a neurochemical con job get in the way of anything in your life. Took us a good 25 years to
I
understand.
read something कि you will not be sure who is going to be in your life or not, but you can make your career. You can be sure about your
You
career.
can be sure about your career. See, that is the only thing that's gonna. I mean, working on
You
yourself.
can build
like,
your career,
Yeah,
but
like working on yourself. Suppose you go to the gym, you work out. A definite input-output
that
ratio.
it is going to do something.
Yeah, your
about it.
career-
It will take time.
A definite input-output
हाँ,
ratio.
हाँ.
But
But you cannot
Love is
control other people's feelings. You will not know when they are going to leave you. So it is like a chance you have to take. Like you take chances in career, but you know you are working towards it. You take your chance in love. You know you are working towards it. But,
you have no
career
guarantee the other
career
person's
में
gonna do
there
it.
can be a guarantee, but you cannot take the other people's feelings का narrative.
कभी नहीं आया पसंद.
So maybe we can just accept या फिर hope hope कि मतलब you just have to take chances with the other person. That is what you can do.
Hope. Yeah, I think that is what.
Yeah, and I
Sustains
have to
improved
work
life.
on myself and not and not blame other people.
Yes, it is what. I don't know. Everything knowledgeable that I find on the internet, I automatically associate with the Japanese. But maybe it wasn't the Japanese who said it. But I'm just gonna go ahead and say that a Japanese monk once said that if like Japanese wasn't enough intellectual, I wanna add a monk to it and say,
Very good.
if your cup is not full
Hmm.
to the brim, you cannot be pouring into other people's cups.
Exactly. I think I am fulfilling myself. I am working on myself, and for the first time in my life, I am kind of happy with myself.
क्या बात. हाथ मिला.
And I am trying to understand कि मैं क्या feel करती हूँ, क्यों feel करती हूँ. So it is helping me, and I don't know if it will help me find love, but it does
It's helping
help
you find
me.
yourself, and that's so much better.
Yeah, find myself and find the people who love me. So that's nice.
Let's go.